everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a DIY for fall, and this fall I'm trying to go more in the bluish turquoise teal semi-orange decorations. I want a couple of things for my TV console or my TV table, and I thought I should do it since it's blue, and I want to use these things. Most of these things are from the Dollar Tree. Some of them, as you can see, are for Christmas. Like last year, I haven't seen any Christmas things out yet at the Dollar Tree. So these are all the items that I'm going to be using, and each one is going to be a craft, a little decoration that you can do for fall for your decor at your house. Let's get started with the first one. At this moment, I'm not sure how many I'm gonna make, but you probably already saw it on the title by the time the video comes out. Let's get started with our first DIY, shall we? And I only got one item. This one is from the 99-cent store. It's not from the Dollar Tree, but I only found one at the moment that I went. All the other items are from the Dollar Tree. I already had this. I'm using it multiple times. Straw bale. I think I got this long time ago from Michael's. And the other thing is this one, which is mine. I already had it. This is actually from Edible Arrangements. I already had it and I wanted to do that with this. So the first thing that we're going to be using are these. Okay, the first one is a little of an arrangement, like a flower arrangement. These are the different kinds of, what do you call these, flocking balls. I got 2 of the flocking balls, and I also got, actually I got 3, but this one is blue. I only found one blue one, and then these are like creamy color. So 3 flocking balls flocking into of the pumpkin maples. And this one, look, it has 2 little pumpkins, 2 little white pumpkins, and then these little berries, sort of kind of thing. So that's what we're going to be using, and then we're going to be inserting in there. Since my little base is a little bit small, we don't need one of those foamy things. We can just bend it. But first of all, we got to get rid of. Now it looks like a little arrangement. Now we're going to use one of these stickers. Now these stickers, some of them are kind of like puffing out. So I'm going to be using one of the smaller ones. Since there's already a lot of blue, I'm going to use the ones that have orange, white, and brown. I'm going to place it right there. Now we have these 2 frames. You can obviously use them as they are. All year long, I dream of autumn, wishing you harvest blessings. But I don't want to do that. I want to do something else to it. The frame itself, this part, it is shiny. So we're gonna leave it like that, but the inside is what we're gonna change. Oopsie. You can see. other one, we're going to be using these little palettes. These little palettes are more like in the flat, and then these are our traditional wood palettes that we're going to be using. Now for this one, we are going to be needing some glue. You can use your hot glue or any kind of glue that you want to use. I'm going to be using liquid silicone. I did got this liquid silicone in Mexico when I went over there. I had explained this before in some other videos. Liquid silicone is just like the hot silicone, is just cold and liquidy. Okay, for these, we're going to be using these. We're going to be using a little straw bale and our bigger pumpkin right here, and one of these pigs that I got. These are like fabric, and this is just as decor. And maybe some of our little pumpkins here from a little pumpkin scented pine cone pack. So and ta-da! There goes another little scenic little fall item, just like that. And we're still in the theme of our blue and orange. Yay! And to the next one. And you guessed it right, it's our other little frame that we're going to be using here. Now this one, we're also going to put the little yellow background there. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to try something different. We're going to try and fit the paper right on the top. And that's how our second one looks. Now with a pen with a pen, I'm gonna write something here.